To me, nature is a way to escape the realities of the world and take a break from anything that is stressful or overwhelming. It is the perfect antidote for when times get tough. Nature is like a close friend that you feel comfortable confiding in. Recreation is one of the foundations of my childhood. It has always been a way for me to express myself and find inner peace. Recreation means doing things for my own personal pleasure and benefit. Recreation is hiking, longboarding, painting, rock climbing, skiing, and so much more. Natural resource-based recreation is one of the pillars of my life. Ever since I could remember, my family has been taking me all across the U.S. to see national parks and experience the natural world. This has shaped me into the person I am today and has led me towards a career path in recreation. Without these experiences, I may have never found such a deep connection with the natural world. I have always had a love for nature, making it a place where I feel at home. This relationship has developed over time, and the more I get to know nature, the more things I find I enjoy doing to immerse myself in it. From a young age, I always enjoyed going on vacation to see the beach or walk around in the desert. But as I got older, my parents started taking us on more directed vacations with bigger goals in mind to hike larger mountains and camp overnight. These experiences have grown my relationship with nature and made me appreciate the earth and bring awareness to why we need to take care of our planet. When I was younger, I never had any regard to the impact I was making on the environment by using it for my own recreation. But as I have grown older, I've become more conscious of using natural resources in a positive manner to preserve the national parks that we have. As humans, we are more often than not self-centered, or at least human-centered, believing that we will do what is best for us, and disregarding the impact it may have on others. But if everyone makes an effort to lower their environmental impact, we can sustain our natural resources for generations to come. Currently, I use nature as a distressor and an escape from school. I go hiking up in the bluffs to get physical and emotional benefits, and I use a hammock anywhere in the city just to take in the sounds of nature and focus on things I normally wouldn't pay as much attention to. I like to think that I am minimizing my environmental impacts when I use nature as a resource by following the L&T principles. The deeper that you get into the wilderness and away from distractions, the deeper a connection you form with your mind and body.